Let me ask you this question, sir.
Yeah.
If the shock absorber is like that, what would that make the car do?
So what this mostly does is mitigate oscillation. So as you're driving down the road, the spring that's attached to this absorbs most of the impact. What this prevents your car from doing is like a pogo stick down the road.
Okay, good.
So it absorbs.
Now, so what I'm asking you is,
Yes.
the plaintiff drove the car for 3 months.
Yeah.
So at least for 3 months, that was working because according to her, it was not riding like a pogo stick,
Okay.
right? So something happened after 3 months. Now, you're really not a car expert, but would a stabilizer bar cause a bad sound if it broke in the car?
Oh, yeah.
A stabilizer bar would cause a bad sound, which is what the plaintiff called her father about.
Correct.
A bad sound.
Correct.
Not pogo sticking around because the shock wasn't working.
Correct.
She complained about the weird sound.
Correct.
Okay.
Well,
Now, don't speak. The weird sound doesn't come from that lack of compression and popping up. That comes from something else.
Well, it could. I mean, this could make a noise, and it could also be the rear stabilizer.
Bar, the rear stabilizer bar that he
Yes.
did not replace.
Correct.
Thank you. We're done.
Okay.
Have a seat. If you said to me, I took my car back from the defendant, and as soon as I drove it down the street, it was a weird sound, and I brought it right back to the defendant, I would say, well, you know, maybe he didn't fix something. Maybe he left something loose. When you drive a 14-year-old car for 3 months and nothing happens to it, and all of a sudden you hear something that's a clinking sound that you described, and Honda replaced the bar, which he didn't do. So that was something totally different from what he did.
correct.
I don't know what else they had to do and what else they didn't have to do. Anyway, you don't have the case against the defendant.
In there, it says they replaced all the shocks.
Listen to me.
And I also
Look,
have a piece here that shocks should last 40,000 miles.
Just listen to me.
And
I don't know if they replaced the shocks if they had to.
I have the broken shock right here.
Goodbye.
It's
You're not
broken.
paying attention. You drove the car for 3 months. If there was something wrong with the shock absorbers, you would have had that within a 3-month period.
They're
If it was,
supposed to last
We're
longer
done.
than 3 months.
We're done. Thank you.
Ladies are excused. You may step out.
Shocks are supposed to last longer than 3 months. That's a fact.
If the shock is defective, I did not make the shock. I didn't design it. Come back,
And they're broken. The Honda person told me they were broken.
call me, say, by the way, the shock you put is defective. Okay, maybe warranty, we'll replace it.
Yeah, he did work that led to more damage being done.
But nothing, she never called me for 7 months, and now I just see her here for the first time. It's like, it's crazy.